Moringa leaf is an amazing superfood. A really cool thing about the tree is that every part is usable in one way or another. Each leaf, pod, fruit, flower, all of the roots and the bark of the tree is usable. It's completely safe to use, and is given to many people in poorly developed countries because it has the ability to treat over 300 diseases. It is safe for anyone of any age to consume. It has no side effects. The best way to take moringa is in powder form, because it is the easiest to digest and absorb all the nutrients. Here is a list of the amazing health benefits of moringa leaf. 1. Contains high amounts of vitamin A and vitamin C, much more than carrots and oranges. 2. Very high amount of calcium that is easily absorbable by the body. 3. High amounts of protein. 4. Increases milk production in mothers who are breastfeeding. 5. Helps blood sugar levels and diabetes. 6. Contains high amounts of potassium and zinc. 7. Supports the liver, gallbladder, and kidneys. 8. Enhances energy. 9. Helps with digestion. 10. Supports skin health. 11. Nourishes the brain. 12. Boosts the immune system. 13. Anti-inflammatory. 14. Helps with circulation. 15. Supports eyes. All of these benefits are from a natural source given to us by nature. Nature has given us everything we need to heal our bodies and stay strong. We don't need to go to a doctor and get man-made prescriptions that do nothing to actually cure disease. They may hide the symptoms you have, but only temporarily and usually with other side effects. With natural herbs such as this, you're actually giving your body what it needs to heal itself for good, not just sweep the problem under the rug. I highly recommend checking out moringa, and seeing the true healing power for yourself. The liver. A lot of my studies have been on the liver, and just how important they are to our bodies and good health. Our livers are responsible for so much that we absolutely must become more aware of how to keep it healthy. Our livers break down all our foods, cleanses the toxins in our bodies, processes all of our sensory input, and is our heat furnace. It's the only organ in the body that can regenerate. Our livers are extremely abused in our society, and moringa leaf can play an important role in helping to heal our livers. And most importantly, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, Doc Online, to be updated on how to be naturally healthy and not consume medications.